It's, if you work like Mr. Johnson from Monday to Friday, so Saturday or Sunday should be a day while you work out. So stick with us. We have a lot of people want to speak to this morning. You need to be, you need to be energized. I need to ginger you guys. You guys need to work out this year. You need to stay fit. Stay with us. Oregun Link Bridge. So she asked, what is the reason why you shouldn't work out? Actually, see no reason why you shouldn't. Because according to our highlight, stress kids, she was from Monday to Saturday. Then, what is the excuse me to do that same thing? So I believe with the little point of my again, I've convinced you that working out is very essential in your life. Yes, sir.
Benefit of working out.
Yes, sir.
Very important.
Okay.
Sometimes people spend their money in hospital on necessity.
Yes.
You understand? But this is the most important thing in everyone's life.
Alright.
Once in a week, 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week, it can make you keep you going.
Alright.
You understand? It makes everyone strong.
Okay.
You understand? Not every time you ask hospital or doctor what is wrong with me. You don't know is that just that heat that is in you just need to go out.
Right.
You eat sugar every day.
Yes.
You eat beans, you eat rice, you drink all kind of drinks. Yes. So all these things you need to exercise yourself once in a while. You go out. That is all I know about it.
Thank you for speaking to us. That's a lot. Have a good one, sir. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Ehinomen. We have a YouTube channel where we ask people the benefit of working out. So I want to know, which city are we today?
This the city of Lagos,
Right.
maybe precisely.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir. Sir, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
Well, it helps your cardiovascular health. It helps your heart to breathe fast.
Okay.
It gives you, it helps to keep fit.
Okay.
It also helps you to stay healthy, because of the toxins and the things we eat. If you don't do this, if you don't work out, you don't jog, you don't do these things, all these things stays in your body, and rather than your health improving, you just keep on declining. So for me, I do this for health reasons. It helps my blood pressure to be stable, and it also helps me keep fit. So these are basically the things that working out help one achieve.
Thank you very much, sir. And I guess people have heard all the benefits of working out. So I want to know, sir, those people that are not working out, what do you think? Like, what's the advice you have for them?
I would advise that they rise up and take the challenge.
This is 2026.
Yes.
Rise up, take the challenge. What is your excuse?
Yeah, it's for your own good. You just have to. 10-minute walk, 15-minute walk, 20-minute walk, even if it's in your street, just take up a walk. If you can't jog, you walk. I'm actually walking.
Right.
And I know the meters have covered. So yes. No matter what it is, there is gain in it.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for speaking with us. Thank you, sir. Have a very beautiful one. Good morning. My name is Ehinomen. We have a YouTube channel where we ask people the benefit of workout. Where are we this morning?
We are at
I think this is around maybe
Oregun Link Bridge. Yeah,
all right.
That's where we are now.
Okay, thank you. Now, what do you think is the benefit of workout?
It's also a question. The benefit of workouts, the most benefited, it helps your heartbeat beat very well, keep you in a good posture, and good health.
All right, that's beautiful. I think the beautiful part of it is that the most people that we have spoken to this morning, I want to ask them what do you think is the benefit of workout. The first thing talk about the vascular and also the heart. It helps with the heart to pump very well, and that's the thing you told us now. I want to appreciate you. And also, what advice do you have for people out there that are not working out? This is 2026.
No, 2026, please. If you are not working out before, start.
You have to start. You hear?
Start.
You heard it again?
Start.
There is no excuse for that.
Start. I know why I'm saying this.
Okay.
Most of people work, maybe you think you work a lot. Me, I work a lot from Monday to Saturday. I go to my business, but
You see? You have no
I
excuse.
never skip my working out because stress kills.
I love that stress keys.
It kills. Maybe you look at yourself, I work every day. I don't have time for that. That one is not working out though. It's stress and it kills slowly.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you for that.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
and have a very good one.
Thank you.
All right. You heard that? Stress keys. She already answered everything you have to hear. Thank you. Sir, good morning. My name is Ehinome. We have a YouTube channel where we ask people the benefit of working out. So, sir, I want to know, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
Well, there are so many things you can benefit from working out. Apart from body fitness, it has to do with health fitness too.
Yes.
Because I remembered several years ago I was working out, and later I felt one is getting old and one should relax, until I began to feel weak, and I went to the hospital. They said I should do general checkup. That was what I went for, and I did stress test.
Wow.
And I discovered that there was no stress anywhere. So I decided to come back but now I can say I am fit.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So that's one of the benefits, apart from,
Yes.
your health matters.
Right.
And as you are growing older, you need to keep all the parts of your body working, so that you don't fall sick and avoid high blood pressure, hypertension, and so on.
Thank you, sir. I hope you guys have heard those are beautiful. Give us very beautiful options and the benefit of working out. Sir, for people that are not working out, what advice do you have for them?
I will just advise them to find a way of working out.
You hear that? Find a way of working out. This is 2026. So the first thing you believe to hear this morning is find a way to work out. So I want to appreciate you for speaking with us this morning. Thank you. Thank you, sir, for speaking with us. I appreciate that. Thank you, sir. Good morning.
Hi.
My name is Hinome. We have a YouTube channel where we ask people what do you think is the benefit of working out. So this morning I want to ask you this. What do you think is the benefit of working out?
So I think the benefit of working out is good health, general well-being. You feel amazing, you feel younger, you feel great about yourself. It helps with like good joints, bones, and all that.
I use workout to release myself of stress.
Yes.
I love it a lot. I love to look good. I love to look fit.
I love that. Okay. All right. This is 2026. What advice do you have for people that are not working out?
You
Get
need
out
to
of the
start,
bed.
just stand up and start. Like you feel amazing, you feel great.
I just had to start today,
Yeah.
so I had
So
to
just
force
start.
myself. I'm like, you have to do this. You have to lose weight. By the end of 2026, you have to look good.
Good.
I have
You need
this,
to feel
goal
good.
for myself. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I love that. You heard from her. So if you want to look good, you work out. If you want to stay fit, you work out. If you want to look amazing, you work out. Thank you for speaking with me. Good morning. My name is Hinome. We have a YouTube channel where we ask people. Yes. It's on. Yes. Yes, sir. So we'll ask people the benefit of working out. So, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
It relaxes your
Yeah.
muscles,
Okay.
and it helps detoxify your systems and all of that. Yeah,
Yeah,
etc.
yeah, that's beautiful. It helps relaxes your body. And also the general well-being for your body. So there's no
Yeah.
two ways about that. And also, what advice do you have for people that are not working out? This is 2026.
Hmm. If you're not working out, I don't know. Maybe you don't like yourself. You don't actually like yourself, because exercise it prolongs life. It helps your heart, relax and pumps blood.
Yeah, it does. Thank you for speaking that with us. So, if you know you aren't working out, This is 2026, and you're told you are missing a
have
lot.
to start.
You have
You
to
have
start.
to start.
All right. Thank you, Eddie, for speaking with us. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
good one. My name is Hinome. We have a YouTube channel where we ask people the benefit of working. So, what do you think is the benefit of working out? I think it's just healthy generally. Lose a bit of weight. It helps you keep active. Okay. The blood flowing and all that. So, yeah, it's good. Get up in the morning. 30, 45 minutes, 1 hour. That's it pretty much. All right, beautiful. So this is 2026. For the people that are not working out, what advice do you have for them? I'll just say just start. It doesn't matter the distance, the time, but just start. Just if it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then you just build up gradually from there. This is the first weekend of 2026. So you have 51 more weekends. So anytime is as good as now. So just start. Yeah. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. You heard him. He said, "Start." That's the first thing. Start. Thank you, bro. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, sir. So, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
Well, I'm doing it for my health, and I'm sure a lot of people do that too.
Yes.
So that's the first benefit for me.
All right. So for those people that have not started working out, what do you think? What do you have for them?
Well, just start. Yeah.
All right.
Start. I think you should just start.
All right.
I know there are a lot of things that you would want to consider, like timing and all. But you know what? If you do that, you're not going to start. So I'll just say, just start.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. How the channel sticker work with Ehi? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Ehi Nome.
Good morning. I'm Jackson.
All right. Sir, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
Oh, I enjoy working out because it make me a little fit.
Okay.
Yeah. And nature of my job, I do sit one place all the day. So I think it's not good for my health. So I like working out, making myself being free. So in short, I love making it.
Yes.
Working out so that I'll keep my feet.
Beautiful. You heard it. If you work the same work that our boss do, Mr. Jackson, if you sit on one place from Monday to Friday, you have no excuse why you shouldn't work on Saturday, because that is the wellness your body needs. You understand? Sir, for people that are not working out, which advice do you have for them this year, 2026?
I advise them for their health. It's good for them to be working out. If they have opportunity every day, good. But if you don't have the opportunity, but Saturday, Sundays, like Sunday evening,
Yes.
After service, they'll come back, they relax, then in the evening they go out. It's very, very good for them. It makes them look, it's good for the health. That is our only emphasize on health.
Yes.
It's very, very good on health, a lot.
Yes.
So it's good to be working out.
Thank you very much for speaking with us. You heard, if you want your life to shine like Mr. Jassy, work out, enjoy yourself. Thank you, sir, for speaking with us. God bless. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah. My name is Ehi.
My name is
Ehi.
Ehi. Okay.
Yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Hi,
That's called.
Ehi.
Thank you. God, you're making me blush right now. All right, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
We ask people the benefit of working out. What do you think is the benefit of working out?
I just think there's so many benefits. There's mental clarity. It helps you just put things in perspective. Well, I personally use it to clear my head. Then there's also obviously your health. You're improving your health. You feel stronger. Things like that. So yeah, there's definitely lots of benefits, and I definitely recommend it for everybody.
Beautiful, beautiful. For those people that are not working out, this is 2026. What do you have to do?
So you start something, you can start from where you are, whether it's walking, there's definitely something that can work for you. So you don't have to do what everybody else is doing or, something difficult. Just start, incorporate, get better at it. And yeah, everybody should be working out.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Very fine, sir. My name is Ehinome.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel. We ask people the benefit of working out. Sir, what do you think is the benefit of working out?
Let's just say for overall well-being of the person, of the individual. So it means you have locomotion, and when you have locomotion, everything within your body, is active. The heart,
the liver, the kidneys, everything works together. Your blood is pumped, and when your blood is pumped, it just synchronizes, and you feel good afterwards. And you can also balance your weight. The body mass index, improves. You feel a lot healthier.
Beautiful.
So it's just for the overall well-being.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. So for people that are not working out, what advice do you have for them, people that are not working out this 2020?
No, I think they should just start now.
Beautiful.
Today is the best time to start.
Beautiful.
Because they already wasted a lot of time.
Yes.
So it's better to play the catch-up. This is the best time to start working out.
Thank you very much.
It does a lot to your body.
Yes. Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir. I appreciate
that.
Everything. Yes. He does that. Yes. Thank you so much.
Right.
So I would love to see you also watch us. We have a YouTube channel called Walk with He. So thank you for speaking with us today. I know a lot of people are heading and they go to the energize. Thank you, sir, for speaking with us again. Have a good day, sir.
Today,
Thank you.
Start.
Get it.